Welcome back to the Strategic Sales Funnel Method course. This is module number 3, Map the Customer Journey. The title of this video, module 3.1, What Steps Does It Take to Become a Customer? So that's a question I want you to get very familiar with as we go through this module, because the more clarity we have on the actual steps it takes for someone to become, for a potential customer to become a paying customer, the better, the more effective we'll be able to, our sales funnel will be when it comes to us putting it together. Um, and again, that's why it's also important that we establish the other previous topics that we covered, or concepts that we covered in the previous module. That's why we got to have clarity on what our value ladder is, so we understand, what we need to be offering customers that are coming in cold, that are coming in warm, and that are coming in hot. Then next, we got to have a better understanding of, who our target audience is, who our potential customers are. Again, basic buyer personas and things that they have in common. And then, so like I said, that's why we went to Google reviews, and we read the reviews of businesses in our area or outside of our area that provide the type of services that we want to offer, so we can get a better understanding of what, so we can take a step, in a sense, inside the mindset of our potential customers, so we can be a lot more conscious of what their needs are, what their pain points are, what their buying habits are, what the decision making process is, as well as other information like, um, you know, uh, basic demographics in regards to just like age, location, job status, or home status, et cetera, and et cetera. But again, that was all building up to where we're at right now, which is kind of getting, now it's time to get to the meat and potatoes on clarifying, what our marketing strategy is going to be for our marketing efforts, so that we can start to really, like you said, get this plan in place, and get a visualization of what our customer journey is going to look like, so we can begin to build these processes in the real world, in regards to using both digital technologies, as well as traditional, technologies, and offline tactics and strategies, or tactics, I should say, in order to get the word out, expand our reach, so that we can, and like I said, increase sales and revenue, which ultimately is going to boost profits. All right. So, what are the steps? What does it take to become a customer of your business? What are those steps? What do they look like? You got to get clear. Now, in most instances, those steps are going to boil down to four key stages, as shown here, with the marketing funnel. And those four key stages are going to revolve around, first, the customer is going to have to become aware that you exist. Then they're going to have to have some develop some sort of interest in what you have to offer, and then they're going to have to make a decision as to whether or not to do business with you, as opposed to the other opportunities out there. And last but not least, they're going to have to take action, which is actually, like I said, pay at the end of the day. And so, again, you want to get clear yourself on what it actually takes, or the actual steps it takes to do business for you. Whether you're a dentist, a lawyer, a contractor, you reglaze bathtubs and other sinks. You sell weight loss supplements. You are a personal trainer. You are some sort of athletic coach, acting coach, whatever type of local business that you have. You're a dance studio, you're a restaurant, you are a cleaners, you, like I said, you are an electrician. It doesn't matter. You need to be clear on what the steps it takes in order to do business with you. What is your value ladder, and how do people get through it? What are the steps they need to take to ascend, to go up, to rise up it. That's what you want to do. All right. So again, get clear on what your buying process is, what that sales process looks like, so you can start to construct and know and have a visualization of what your sales funnel is going to be. Now, within each stage of the sales funnel, there are obviously, different actions that we got to take in order to make it, work, like a well-oiled machine. But again, like the big picture here is just getting clear and understanding that you need to understand what the steps are. Like how to like what's that customer journey like, map it out. So that's what we gonna learn how to do in this module. And so buckle on up and then get ready for the ride.